Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of print. Text appearing in a book, newspaper or other printed publication. For example, bold print. The second definition of print. A mark or indentation left by pressure on a surface or soft material, particularly if it is a foot or hand. For example, there were paw prints everywhere. American pronunciation. Print. Print. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Print. Say. Print. Print means text appearing in book. Print. Print. Print origin. Middle English denoting impressions made by a seal or stamp. Old French prient, feminine past participle prendre, Latin premier, both from Latin premier, to press. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Harsh penalties were imposed for printing newspapers on unstamped paper. Now, repeat after me. Harsh penalties were imposed for printing newspapers on unstamped paper. The second practice. Secondly, the book is printed on pulp paper of abysmal quality. Now, repeat after me. Secondly, the book is printed on pulp paper of abysmal quality. Visual representation of print. Print means text appearing in a book, newspaper or other printed publication.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.